Applying groups and using groupings. There are 3 ways to set this up, so we're going to go through all 3 ways. The first is to do it for the whole course, the second is to use the editing bar, and the third is to go into the actual forum or activity and make the changes within that. So first we're going to start by showing how to set groups on the whole course. You're going to begin with by going to Course Administration and Edit Settings and scrolling down to Groups. You'll want to change your group mode from no groups to separate groups and force the group mode. Save your changes. This means for every activity in your course, participants will automatically be assigned to the groups that they're in for each activity. When you go to Update and you scroll down to Common Module Settings, you'll see that the group mode has already been set to separate groups. This will happen for each of the activities if you use the course method. Another way to change the settings in a group so that an activity is set to groups is to go to Edit and then scroll down to where it says No Groups with the little person. Click on that and it'll switch it, and you can see the icon changed to Groups. You can do this for individual activities. The third way is to go to Edit and Update. Scroll down to Common Module Settings and change your group mode in the editing box. Save and return to course. Any of these 3 ways work, it's just the one that's your personal preference. When viewing, you can see that as an instructor, you can choose which group you want to see, Group A or Group B, or if you'd like to see all participants, you can select that. Remember that when participants sign into an activity that's been assigned to a group, they will only see the responses from their group members. The last thing I want to talk about is groupings. Remember, we created groupings, which are multiple groups that go together. Sometimes you may want a group of groups to work together. In this case, to do that, you're going to go to Edit and select Update, Common Module Settings, set it in group mode, separate groups, and then select the grouping that you want to see. So instead of groups A or B viewing it, you may want all the groups, the people and coaches to view it. When you're done, hit Save and return to course. This change will be indicated on the course page next to the activity. You can see that the grouping coaches has been added to it. Just like in a face-to-face course, flexible grouping is important in an online course. Groupings allows you to do just that.